Hello, I'm going to demonstrate using Vera Alerts to send multiple images to my email account, and then later I'll show it going to my Android device. This is some fairly new changes to the Vera Alerts plugin. I'm demonstrating it by sending an alert directly, but you could also include this as an alert to any notification in the system, or to a scene, or as action in your PLEG automation script. So I'm going to send this to myself, Schaefer. I'm going to, the alert message will say dummy alert. I am going to send a picture from device 87, which is a camera in my backyard, and device 187, I might have these backwards, which is a camera on my driveway. And I'm also going to set the subject for the email line. Subject equals test alert. So the subject is test alert, the message is dummy alert, and it should include two pictures. So let me send that off. And then what you see here on my email account is there. I just got the alert right there. It's called, like I said, the subject is test alert. And when I open it up, you'll see dummy alert. And it should have two pictures. There's looking at my backyard, and there's looking at my driveway. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate using Vera Alerts, having messages and in particular pictures sent to my Android phone. I'm going to use the same message I used a moment ago where I sent the message to my email account, but this time I'm going to send it to the phone. And I'm going to hit the message right now.
Dummy alert.
And there you saw it was fairly instantaneous. If I go and take a look at the notification, you'll see that I've got a dummy alert. If I click on the camera icon, because there were two messages or two pictures in this message, it's showing me the two different pictures. And the file names starts off with VA for Vera Alerts, and then the number after it is the device number. So I'm going to take the second camera, the device number 187, click on it, and it's going to open up the picture. And here, this is the picture of my backyard. This particular viewer, I can pinch zoom and then scroll around in the picture, do whatever I need to do. Okay. There's also three icons on the bottom, left to right. The left icon is take a snapshot, a current snapshot from the same device. The middle icon is a live video feed, and the third icon, when I click it, it says whatever picture I'm showing right now, save it. Otherwise, things like snapshots and live video feeds are transient, and when I exit the application, they're deleted. So I'm going to take a snapshot right now, and it's hard to tell anything. You'll see a little bit of motion because some light breeze you see the shadows moving around. Let me click on the live video feed, and now what you see is a bunch more icons show up. The top row are for panning and zooming the camera, and at the very top you see a title where the looping count, it's looping through numbers really fast. I'm going to turn off the loop feature, and now when it gets to the end, it'll lock it on the end. But now I can actually demonstrate panning and zooming because we're seeing things live. So if and actually my camera here is mounted upside down, so the pan buttons are backwards. So I'm going to click the left pan button, and you'll see the camera moves to the right. And similarly, if I click on the up icon, the camera moves down. And like I said, that's just because the camera's mounted upside down. Let me play that backwards. I clicked and this is going very slow. Let me double click it. The more I click it, the faster it goes in reverse. You can see now the frame numbers are going backwards, the first number, but the frame count is going up. And those were the panning I did just a few seconds ago. Okay, now I'm going to start going forward. I'm going to actually zoom in a little bit, and now I'm going to go forward. And the more I click on the forward button, the faster it goes. Eventually it should catch up. I don't currently have a mechanism to jump to the end. Almost to the end. And now I'm back at the end, and I'm synced now with the camera, so catching up. Every image that shows up, it's being displayed. And like I said, you can't really tell because there's not much motion in the picture. And stop the capture. That stopped capturing it. And this particular live video had 335 frames, and I'm showing the current last one. Hope you enjoyed the demonstration.